Bike rental in the park.
Hi, I would like to rent a bike for the park path.
Sure. We have city bikes and mountain bikes.
What is the difference?
City bikes are easy for flat paths. Mountain bikes are better for rough ground.
I will stay on the flat park path, so a city bike is fine.
Good choice. How long would you like to rent it?
Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour is $8.
That works for me.
Do you want a helmet?
Yes, please, I want to be safe.
Here is a medium helmet. Try it on.
It fits well. Is there a bike lock too?
Yes, the lock is under the seat.
Great. Where can I ride?
You can ride on the green path around the lake.
Do you have a small map?
Yes, here is a park map with the bike path marked.
Can I ride on the walking path?
No, please stay on the bike path only.
Okay, I do not want to bother people walking.
Also, please return the bike before the hour ends.
What happens if I am late?
There is a small extra fee for each 30 minutes.
I understand. I will watch the time.
Please leave your ID here until you return the bike.
Sure, here is my ID.
Thank you. Your bike number is 14.
It looks clean and ready.
The brakes work well, but test them slowly first.
I will. Thanks for explaining the rules.
Enjoy your ride in the park.
Thank you.
Swimming pool rules.
Excuse me, is this the entrance for the swimming pool?
Yes, it is. Please show me your pool pass.
Sure. Here it is. This is my first time here.
Welcome. I will quickly explain the pool rules.
Thank you. I want to be careful and follow the rules.
First, please take a shower before you enter the water.
Okay, the showers are on the left, right?
Yes, just next to the changing rooms.
Great. Do I need a swimming cap?
Yes, a swimming cap is required in this pool.
I have one in my bag. What about sandals?
Sandals are fine near the pool, but not in the water.
Got it. Can I jump into the pool from the side?
No, please do not jump. The floor can be wet and slippery.
Are there signs for each lane?
Yes, the blue signs show slow, medium, and fast lanes.
That makes sense. Is there a deep area?
Yes, the deep area is at the far end. Please stay in the slow lane if you are not sure.
I can swim, but I prefer the slow lane today.
Good choice. Also, please do not run around the pool.
I understand. Walk slowly and be careful.
Exactly. You can leave your towel on this bench.
Perfect. How long can I swim?
You can swim for 2 hours.
That is enough for me.
The whistle means everyone must stop and listen.
Okay, thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You are welcome. Enjoy your swim and let me know if you need help.
Airport check-in.
Hi, I have a flight to London today.
All right. May I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in one bag today?
Yes, this suitcase. I also have a small backpack.
The backpack can go with you on the plane.
Good. Is my suitcase too heavy?
Let me check. Please place it on the scale.
Sure. Is it okay?
Yes, it is 21 kilos. That is fine.
Great. I was worried about that.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please, if possible.
I have a window seat in row 17.
That sounds perfect.
Your boarding pass is ready. Boarding starts at 11:20.
What gate should I go to?
Gate A7. It is after security on the right side.
Is there enough time for security?
Yes, but please go there soon. It can get busy.
I will. Do I need to take my laptop out?
At security, yes. Please keep it easy to reach.
Thank you for the tip.
Also, keep liquids in a small, clear bag.
I have them in my backpack pocket.
Perfect. Here's your passport, your boarding pass, and your bag tag.
Thank you. Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is on time right now.
That is good news.
Have a nice flight to London.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Buying tickets for a soccer match.
Is this the ticket counter for tonight's soccer match?
Yes, it is. Which section would you like?
I am not sure. I want a good view, but not a very expensive seat.
Then the middle stand is a good choice.
Can I see both goals from there?
Yes, you can. The view is clear from that section.
Great. How much is one ticket?
One ticket in the middle stand is $30.
That is fine. Do you still have seats near the front?
The first rows are sold out, but row 11 is available.
Row 11 sounds good. Is it close to the field?
Yes, close enough to feel the atmosphere, but high enough to see the game.
Perfect. I will take one ticket in row 11.
Would you like a printed ticket or a mobile ticket?
A printed ticket, please. I want to keep it.
No problem. The match starts at 7:30.
What time should I enter the stadium?
I suggest entering at least 30 minutes early.
Is there a security check at the gate?
Yes. Please do not bring large bags or glass bottles.
I only have my phone and wallet.
Your entrance is Gate B.
Gate B. Okay, I will remember that.
Here is your ticket. Seat 12A, row 11.
Thank you. I am very excited for the match.
It should be a great game. Enjoy it.
Thanks. I hope my team wins tonight.
The stadium opens at 6, so you can enjoy the warm-up too.
First day at a new office.
Good morning. I am Tom. Today is my first day.
Welcome, Tom. I am Emma, the office coordinator.
Nice to meet you. I am a little nervous.
That is normal on the first day. I will show you around.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
First, this is the reception area. Guests wait here.
It looks bright and comfortable.
Yes. Now, your desk is near the window.
Oh, that is a nice place to work.
Your computer is ready, but you need to create a password.
Okay. Should I do that now?
Yes, after the short office tour.
Great. Where is the meeting room?
It is at the end of this hallway.
Is there a team meeting today?
Yes, at 10 o'clock. It is a short welcome meeting.
Good. I can meet everyone there.
Exactly. You will also get a short team schedule.
That will help me understand the day.
The kitchen is on the right.
Can I make coffee there?
Yes, coffee, tea, and water are free for the team.
That is nice.
The printer is next to the kitchen. Your ID card works there.
I have my ID card here.
Perfect. Please keep it with you.
I will. What should I do after the meeting?
I will send you your first training document.
Should I read it before lunch?
Yes, but take your time. It is simple.
Thank you for making the first day easier.
You are welcome. Let us start with your desk setup now.
Lost backpack at school.
Excuse me, I think I lost my backpack.
I'm sorry to hear that. This is the school office. I can help you.
Thank you. I looked in my classroom, but it was not there.
What does your backpack look like?
It is dark blue with a small red keychain on the front.
Okay. When did you see it last?
I had it after lunch near the science room.
Did you leave it on a chair or by the door?
Maybe by the door. I was carrying my books.
Did you go to the gym after that?
No, I went straight to math class.
What is inside the backpack?
My English book, a notebook, and my pencil case.
Any name tag inside?
Yes, my name is on the first page of the notebook.
Good. That will help us check.
I am worried because my homework is inside.
Do not worry yet. Many students bring lost bags here.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Let me look in the lost and found cabinet.
Okay, I hope it is there.
I see a dark blue backpack here.
Does it have a red keychain?
Yes, it does.
That is mine. Thank goodness.
Please check inside to make sure.
My book is here, my notebook is here, and my pencil case too.
Great. Please write your full name on the outside tag later.
I will. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Be careful after lunch next time.
I will be. Have a nice day.
Dentist reception.
Hello, I have a dentist appointment this afternoon.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
My name is Tom Harris.
Thank you. Let me check the schedule.
Sure.
Yes, I see your appointment at 2:30.
Great. Am I too early?
No, you are 10 minutes early. That is perfect.
Good. This is my first visit to this clinic.
Then I need you to fill out this short form.
Okay, what information do you need?
Your phone number, address, and any health problems.
I do not have any health problems.
Good. Please write that on the form.
Should I include my insurance card?
Yes, please give me your insurance card and ID.
Here they are.
Thank you. I will copy them and give them back.
Is the dentist running on time?
Yes, the dentist should call you in about 5 to 10 minutes.
I have a small toothache on the left side.
I will note that for the dentist.
Should I tell the dentist when it started?
Yes, please mention it clearly.
Thank you. I am a little nervous.
That is very common. The dentist will explain each step.
That makes me feel better.
Here are your cards back.
Thank you.
Please take a seat in the waiting area.
All right.
There is water on the small table if you need it.
Thank you. I will wait here.
We will call your name soon.
Thanks for your help.
Choosing a birthday gift.
I need a birthday gift, but I do not know what to buy.
I can help. Who is the gift for?
It is for my sister. She is 20 years old.
What does she like?
She likes reading, music, and simple jewelry.
We have nice notebooks, small speakers, and silver bracelets.
The bracelets look good. Are they expensive?
This simple one is $22.
That is okay. Is it good for everyday use?
Yes, it is light and simple.
I like that. But I also want something personal.
You can add a small birthday card.
Good idea. Do you have cards with simple words?
Yes. This one says, Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day.
That is perfect. Can I write inside it?
Of course. We have a pen at the counter.
Great. Can you put the bracelet in a gift box?
Yes, a small gift box is included.
What color boxes do you have?
Blue, white, and pink.
I will choose the white box.
Nice choice. It looks clean and elegant.
Can you wrap it with a ribbon?
Yes, I can add a gold ribbon.
That sounds beautiful.
If she wants to exchange it, please keep the receipt.
Okay, I will keep it in my wallet.
So, one bracelet, one card, and a white gift box.
Correct.
That will be $28.
I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you for helping me choose.
You are welcome. I hope your sister likes it.
Hotel breakfast.
Excuse me, is breakfast still open?
Yes, it is open until 10 o'clock.
Great. I was afraid I was late.
You still have 20 minutes.
Wonderful. Do I need to show my room card?
Yes, please. May I see it?
Here you go. I am in room 312.
Thank you. Breakfast is included with your room.
Good to know. Where should I start?
The plates are on the left and hot food is straight ahead.
What hot food do you have today?
We have eggs, potatoes, and warm bread.
That sounds nice. Do you have fruit?
Yes, apples, bananas, and small bowls of yogurt.
Perfect. I want something light this morning.
Then fruit, yogurt, and toast may be good.
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, it is next to the water glasses.
Is coffee over there?
Yes, coffee and tea are near the window.
Can I take coffee to my table?
Of course. Just be careful because it is hot.
Thank you for telling me.
Would you like a table by the window?
Yes, if one is free.
There is one open now.
Great. The dining room looks very nice.
Thank you. We try to keep it calm in the morning.
I appreciate that. I have a busy day.
Then enjoy a slow breakfast first.
That sounds like a good plan.
Let me know if you need more coffee or napkins.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Weekend picnic plan.
Emma, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking about doing something outside.
That sounds nice, Ida. The weather should be sunny on Saturday.
Really? Then maybe we can have a picnic.
I like that idea. The park near the river is quiet.
Yes, and it has big trees and clean picnic tables.
What time should we go?
Around 11 in the morning. It will not be too hot.
Good. What should we bring?
We can bring sandwiches, fruit, water, and a small blanket.
Should we bring sunscreen too?
Yes, that is smart if we sit in the sun.
I can make cheese sandwiches.
Great. I can bring apples and cookies.
Do we need plates?
Maybe paper plates and napkins.
I will bring those. Should we bring a ball or a book?
A book sounds relaxing, but a ball could be fun too.
Let us bring both. We can read first and play later.
Good plan. What if the park is crowded?
Then we can sit near the small lake.
That area is usually quieter.
Should we invite anyone else?
For this time, maybe just the two of us. It will be easier to plan.
True, we can make a bigger picnic another day.
Exactly. Do you want to meet at the park entrance?
Yes, I will be there at 11.
I will send you a message before I leave home.
Great. I am looking forward to it.
Me too. A simple picnic sounds perfect.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.